So yun na nga, ang dami nag-request sa inyo nitong brand na to, which is OXGN. Kaya nag-haul na ako ng mga best perfumes nila based on reviews and also after ko silang itry. So I have here 7 perfumes. We have Peach Black, Uomo, Nocturne, 1155 and 1155 Infinite, Static, and Gas. So i-review ko sila isa-isa, and at the end of the video, I will rank them based on kung alin sa kanila yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko overall and which ones are gonna be my recommendations for you guys. First on our list is Peach Black. It opens up very citrusy, fresh, and sweet. I get some aquatic vibe in here while being sweet at the same time. And then nagiging earthy and musky na siya as it dries down. Now this reminds me of Versace Dylan Blue, pero watered down. Meaning mas malabnaw yung scent niya. Hindi siya kasing tapang ng Versace Dylan Blue, pero hindi ibig sabihin na hindi siya okay. In fact, sobrang okay niya kasi it seems to be a fresher take ng Versace Dylan Blue in my opinion, which means mas wearable siya and beginner friendly. I get 6 hours longevity sa Peach Black. It projects good for the first 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I'd give this 3.5 out of 5 in terms of overall performance. Versatility, this is okay for all ages. Kahit sino pwedeng gumamit ito, teens to adults. It can be worn in any situation and anytime. So again, it's highly versatile. I'll give this 5 out of 5 in terms of versatility. Original price nito is 379 pesos. So I will give this an overall rating of 4 out of 5 because again, it's versatile. Gusto ko rin talaga yung scent ng Versace Dylan Blue. So naging factor din yon. It's fresh and sweet and manly. Perfect for any occasion or as an everyday scent. Pang araw-araw, pwede sa school, sa office, panggala. And for the price na 379 pesos, tapos 80 ml na siya, masasabi ko na sobrang sulit siya compared to some of the other local perfumes na nasa gantong price range. Next one is Uomo. It's on a black box na may Uomo print na blue all over and may nag-iisang white print of the name Uomo on the upper left. The bottle looks simple, dark bottle and silver cap with the name Uomo on the top. This is 50 ml bottle, Eau de Toilette. Now, for the scent, this opens up very citrus. We have the bergamot and tangerine in the opening, so it is really citrus and very light, no? Borderline fruity, highly likable, and it also has some vodka. Kaya yung opening niya na very citrus, may konting sipa because of the vodka. Parang the bar with lime, parang ganyan. So, very refreshing yung first few seconds niya. In the dry down, I get some floral and woody notes. So, it becomes softer yet still masculine. This is citrusy, fresh, floral, and woody fragrance. Now, this reminds me of Bulgari Aquamarine. Especially the citrus in the opening. Ganun-ganun yung opening ni Bulgari Aquamarine. And may pagka-floral and woody din yung Aquamarine. So, medyo talaga nandun siya. I would say this is around 75% to almost 80% Aquamarine. For the performance, I get 6 hours in longevity. Good amount of projection as well. So this is 3.5 out of 5 for me in terms of performance. Sa versatility naman, this is also good. Okay for all ages, in any occasion, anytime. So this is 4.5 out of 5 for me in terms of versatility. Let's go to the next one. This is Static. It's in a matte silver box. Minimal design din siya, which I like. And although simple lang din yung bote niya, para sa akin masyadong simple. But overall, looks good pa din naman. This is Eau de Toilette 60 ml. Now for the scent, it has a very refreshing opening, cool and herbal scent. In layman's term, the way I can describe it is amoy toothpaste siya. Alam mo yung amoy ng pagbagong toothbrush ka, parang ganun yung scent niya. After a few seconds, no, yun yung pinaka parang heart note niya. To be honest, I don't see myself wearing this scent. This is good for high school students. Performance, I get 4 to 5 hours longevity, and it sits closely on skin after 30 minutes or so. For the versatility, I'd give this one 2 out of 5. I think this is only okay for the high heat if you want to feel fresh and cool. And again, very high school vibe yung scent niya. Pero kung nasa ganong age ka, nanonood ka ng video nito, 15, 16, 17, this is good for high school students like you guys. Price nito is 359 pesos, and I will give this an overall rating of 2.5 out of 5. Next we have here is GAS or gas. Nice solid blue box. Di ko alam kung anong meaning ng GAS, so let's just call it that way. This is 70 ml Eau de Toilette. The bottle though looks good. It's sporty and very young looking. Para siyang perfume mo nung college, ganyan. It's in a frosted glass bottle with some blue accents. Yung mga letterings niya, yung name, yung logo. And gusto ko din yung cap na dual color siya. Andun din yung blue accent na parang dalawang cup na pinagsama na blue and transparent. So it looks very cool. Now, yung opening naman ito is very citrusy, fresh, and light. I can see na maraming magkakagusto sa scent na to. Especially mga teenagers up to college, to early 20s, mga ganyan. Especially kung beginner ka, you will definitely like this scent. I also get some watery vibe in here, so talagang very cool and refreshing siya. Perfect for the summer, for the high heat, pag pinagpapawisan. Magaan yung scent niya because of that watery notes, no? That watery vibe. Very sporty yung dating niya. I think perfect for college student or kung varsity ka sa school nyo, you're doing sports, ganyan, lagi kang outdoors, you're the type of guy or student na always on the go. This is a good perfume to bring with you. It smells generic in a good way. I get 4 to 5 hours longevity and medyo skin scent na siya after an hour. The price is 399 pesos. Again, for a 70 ml, so I would give this an overall rating of 3 out of 5 because the scent is good. 399 pesos tapos 70 ml na siya. Mas sulit siya. Maganda siyang tingnan. Although generic, pero it's still good. So I would give this a 3.5 out of 5. Next, we go to 1155 Infinite. The bottle looks good. It's in gradient blue and silver cap. It's 55 ml Eau de Toilette concentration. For the scent, the opening is light and clean. Ito yung scent na mabango lang, malinis, mabait. Kumbaga ito yung lalaki na pag pinakilala ng nililigawan niya sa parents niya, madali siyang magustuhan. Parang ganyan. It's a good everyday scent because it's very safe and inoffensive. Kahit i-overspray mo pa to, this won't offend other people around you. I can also see na yung likability niya is very high, even para sa mga tao na hindi masyadong nagpapabango or madaling matapangan sa pabango, alam mo yun, or may mga allergic rhinitis. I think this is a good option for them or for you if ikaw yan. Okay? So, mabango lang pero malinis and again, inoffensive. Performance, I get 4 to 5 hours in longevity and it sits closer to my skin as well after 1 hour. For the performance, I give this 1 3 out of 5. For the versatility, this is okay for all ages. Kahit sino pwedeng gumamit nito and kahit anong oras pwede ko rin siyang gamitin. 4 out of 5 for me in terms of versatility. This is priced at 379 pesos. Again, for 55 ml. I would give this an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5. It may not be my type pero sobrang solid siya for most people. I can see na maraming magkakagusto sa scent na to. Next is 1155. So ito maraming nagre-request sa inyo. So this is it. It's in a shiny silver box with the black lining at the top. And andun din yung name na 1155. The bottle looks great as well. Same with the 1155 Infinite. Pero yung bottle nito is medyo grayish in color. Which I like as well. Very manly din tingnan. And this is 55 ml Eau de Toilette concentration. The scent is, this one is easily recognizable. This is Lacoste Red or Lacoste style in play. It's sweet, it's earthy, and fresh green. Now, one thing na napansin ko with 1155 is the patchouli in here, which is yung amoy earthy or amoy manly na scent. Amped up siya dito so mas less sweet siya at mas patchouli focused, which is good because mas naging masculine nga siya compared to other inspired scents ng Lacoste Red na na-try ko na more on sweetness, no? More on sweetness sila. So this one is more on the patchouli, which is again mas masculine. So to me is better. And anyway, Lacoste Red, the original Lacoste Red is ganoon din naman talaga in reality. Magugulat kayo if you smell the original Lacoste Red, mas earthy, no? Mas rugged siya, hindi siya kasing smooth as the inspired scents. This is by far the closest na Lacoste Red inspired na try ko ng mga local perfumes. Performance, I get 6 hours in longevity with a good amount of projection for the first 30 minutes to 1 hour and stays close to the skin after 1 hour. This is 379 pesos for 55 ml bottle and I would give this one a rating of 4 out of 5. Next we have is Nocturne. Now there's a lot going on sa design ng box. It's in blue with a very nocturnal design. May stars, may buwan. So it matches perfectly sa name niya na Nocturne. Siya din yung isa sa pinaka-sophisticated na box. So I like it. The bottle looks good as well. Very manly and modern. Gradient siya na dark blue. So medyo mysterious ang vibe niya with silver cap. And ang ganda lang tingnan ng bote overall. This is a 50 ml in eau de toilette concentration. Now the scent, this is undeniably Dior Sauvage. Nung una ko siyang tinest on me, grabe na-amaze ako sa sobrang ganda ng quality at sobrang lapit rin niya sa Sauvage. Sobrang bango. Citrus, fresh opening, and peppery. So medyo may pagka-spicy. So fresh and spicy opening. Spot on Dior Sauvage. Solid scent, solid copy. Considering this is a local perfume brand, the blue signature of Dior Sauvage is definitely in here. So solid release from OXGN, guys. Sa mga naghahanap ng affordable dupes ng Dior Sauvage dyan, look no further. For the performance, I get 6 hours in longevity with good projection as well. I'd say this is 4 out of 5 in terms of overall performance. Nocturne having the Dior Sauvage DNA, of course, this is gonna be a highly versatile scent. So I'll give this one a 5 out of 5 in terms of versatility. You can get this 50 ml bottle for 399 pesos, and I will give this an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5. Almost perfect na siya for me. I'm just reserving that 0.5 so kung ano man yung mangyayari, but this is almost perfect in my opinion. Overall, this is a great purchase for you guys. Now, since na-review ko na sila bawat isa, let's now rank each of them at tingnan natin kung sino yung mananalo. Since 7 sila lahat, on the 7th spot, I would give it to Static. Obviously, hindi ko talaga rin type. It's a little bit weird for me because of that parang medyo toothpaste vibe, not a fan. So, this is on the 7th spot. On the 6th spot, bibigay ko siya kay 1155 Infinite. It's a really good scent, but it's just not my type. Pero again, if you like clean, safe, inoffensive scents, tulad ng sasabi ko kanina, this is gonna be perfect for you. On the 5th spot, I'll give that to GAS, Gas. Okay, this is gonna be on my 5th spot because though it is generic, but overall, kumbaga hindi ka magkakamali if you get a Gas. So, I'll put it in the 5th spot. On the 4th spot, I'll give it to 1155. Okay, so despite na favorite scent ko si Lacoste Red, despite na sobrang impressed ako sa kanya, nabitin lang siya ng konting-konti lang in terms of the performance compare sa mga mas nauna sa kanya dito sa ranking na to. So, but overall, this is a good scent. Kung naghahanap ka ng Lacoste Red inspired, guys, get this one kasi mas masculine siya. Na on the 3rd spot, nahihirapan talaga ako mag-isip. Nagkamap ako sa decision na 3rd and 2nd spot is gonna be a tie. So, it's a tie between Pitch Black and Uomo. I love them equally. Performance is about the same. Scent are both great. So wala akong makitang angat sa kanila parehas because sobrang pantay na pantay sila. Magkaiba sila ng scent of course, but they're equally good. Magandang dupe for Bulgari Aquamarine, very sexy and fresh. This one is a magandang dupe for Versace Dilal Blue, very versatile, very sweet and sexy. So this is again a tie for me in the 3rd and 2nd spot. And obviously, yung natitira na lang dito is the Nocturne on the 1st spot because it's like a complete package of fragrance. Although 50 ml lang siya, sayang, pero parang hindi nag-compromise. Yun ang dating sa akin ng scent niya. Performance is also good. Actually, equal lang din dun kay Pitch Black and Uomo. It's not really mind-blowing, but syempre, of course, I'm considering the price, guys. I'm very kind pagdating sa performance pagka ganitong mga local perfumes yung nire-review ko. Kung umabot siya ng mga 5 to 6 hours, okay na yun sa akin. Okay? Because it's, again, below 500 pesos price range. So, unfortunately, ang hirap na siyang hanapin sa mga stores. So I provided links to all perfumes in this video because, again, unfortunately, some of the perfumes in here, hindi ko na nakikita talaga sa mga stores. That's why it took me a while to create this video kahit ang daming nagre-request sa inyo. So, lahat ng links is gonna be down in the description area. With that, guys, thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace!